Hi, Lynn. My name is Brittany. I'm going to be your occupational therapist today. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. All right, so we're going to be working on some passive range of motion, some bend mobility, and some functional tasks today, okay?
Okay.
All right, to get to your prior level of living, okay? So what we're going to do first is we're going to do some shoulder range of motion, okay? So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to be elevating your shoulder a little bit, okay? So right here and here. Let me know if you have any pain or discomfort throughout this, okay?
All right.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Very good. So the next thing that we're going to do, okay, we're just going to bring the shoulder forward, okay, for shoulder protraction, or I mean scapular protraction is what it's called, but it's just for some more range of motion that we're going to be working on, okay, for the weaker side on your right side. Okay, so I'm going to bring your shoulder forward. Okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
All right, excellent. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to be bringing the shoulder forward again like this, and I'm going to be flexing and bringing your arm up, okay?
All righty.
We'll go to where you can tolerate, okay? Okay, so we're going to go up with that shoulder protracted. Down. Good. Okay, excellent. So we'll relax that hand there. How are you feeling?
Feeling fine. My dang cats aren't getting in the way, so that's good.
That's always a good thing. Can I have you take a deep breath for me? Okay, very good. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to have you do is an upper body dressing task, okay? So this is a functional task to get you able to use that right arm more, okay? And to increase your independence with upper body dressing, okay?
All righty.
So what I'm going to have you do first is do upper body dressing. So you're going to be putting your jacket on. So what will you be doing first?
I don't know, picking it up.
Yep, so okay, so
What do I do next?
okay, so what you're going to be doing next is you're going to be dressing your right arm, and you're going to be using that left arm to assist to put the right arm into the sleeve.
Good Lord, this thing is a nightmare.
So I'm going to
Can
help
you
you
help
get
me,
it.
please?
Yeah, of course. I'm going to help you get it initiated, okay? So I want you to grab here, and we're going to guide the hand. So I'll do this side. Okay, so I want you to bring your right hand into the sleeve for me. There you go, and then I want you to continue the task by bringing up that sleeve over the arm.
Like that?
Yep, good. Okay, then what are you going to do next? What do you think?
Put on the rest of it.
You got it. Yep, very good.
This hand is just not useful. Like my lousy neighbors.
You're doing great. Very good. Good job, Lynn. Okay, excellent. I'll just adjust that for you there, okay? Very good. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing are some shoulder range of motion exercises. So that will involve shoulder flexion and extension. So I'm going to bring you through those exercises. I'm going to assist you, okay? All right, so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to bring this right arm. So what I'm going to have you do, we're going to do D1 flexion. Okay, bring it out. And then we'll extend the wrist and fingers. Good. Now we're going to go across. Gonna flex the wrist and fingers. Good. We'll do it one more time. And extend the wrist and extend the fingers out. Okay. Good. Okay. So the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna be doing D2 extension. So we'll start from here. Okay. keep that wrist and fingers flexed. And then we're going to bring the arm out here for D2 flexion. Okay. Okay. D2 extension. And then D2 flexion. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
So this is really good range of motion to, prepare for doing some more functional tasks, okay? So I'll put that arm. So next we're going to be doing some bend mobility, okay? So I'm going to have you practice rolling onto your stronger side on your left side, okay? So we'll practice that. This is going to be better positioning for that right weaker shoulder, okay? Promote optimal position as well as enhancing comfort and allow you to cuddle with your cats, okay? So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you bring your left knee up, good, and then I'm going to assist with this knee, okay? I want you to use your left arm and hug the right arm. Excellent. Okay, so then next, we're going to roll onto your left side, okay? So ready? Let me just move this pillow here for you. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, excellent. All right, so you can just relax the left arm how you want, and then I'm going to position a pillow underneath your right arm. Okay, protract the shoulder a little bit. Okay, bring it up and keep that hand nice and flat on here. How's that?
Good.
Okay, and then I'm just going to position a pillow underneath the leg here. There, and that. How does that feel?
Feels fine.
Okay, and then I'm going to put a pillow behind you so you don't roll backwards and it keeps you in good positioning, okay? And you don't fall off the bed or anything. Okay, thank you so much, Lynn.
Thank you.
You're welcome.